In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Instagram on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on an iPhone, first off, we need to open up App Store. Once the app is open, tap right here at Search, then tap at Search box and enter Instagram here. That's how we can easily find Instagram app. Then we need to tap where it says Instagram to go to the Instagram app page. And right here, if this button says update, just tap on it to start the update process, to start the installation process, and then just wait for it until it's done. On an Android, open up Play Store, then right here tap at Search, enter Instagram in the same way, open up Instagram page, and if that button says update instead of open, in the same way tap on it and the latest Instagram app version will be downloaded to your Android device. After the app is updated, you will be able to tap at Instagram app icon to open it up and use the latest Instagram app version. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.